all the charges.
You think Adani is going to accept the charges? Which world are you living in, brother? Obviously, he's going to deny the charges. The point is, he has to be arrested. The point is, he has to be arrested, as we have said. Hundreds of people are being arrested on tiny charges. The gentleman has been indicted in the United States for thousands of crores. He should be in jail. And the government, please let me speak. And the government is protecting him.
बिल्कुल सही डिसीजन है हम लोगों का जो कल संविधान दिवस पे हम लोगों ने लिया। हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष खड़गे साहब ने कहा और निश्चित तौर से अब एक मुहिम चलानी चाहिए। दाग में कुछ काला है, जो रिजल्ट आ रहा है हम किसी को दोष नहीं देंगे, लेकिन हम चाहते हैं, हम सब चाहते हैं कि बैलेट पेपर पे आना चाहिए, क्योंकि सारे अगर आप एग्जाम्पल इंटरनेशनली भी लें तो मैक्सिमम जो डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्रियां हैं वो आज भी बैलेट से ही चुनाव कराती हैं।
लेकिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट का कहना है कि जब आप चुनाव जीतते हैं तो ठीक है, जब हारते हैं तो ईवीएम पर टिकरा फोड़ते हैं। पीआईएल को रिजेक्ट कर दिया बैलेट की मांग।
देखिए, मैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट पे कोई भी टिप्पणी नहीं करूंगी। मुझे इतना पता है कि कानून सदन बनाता है और जिस दिन सदन चाह लेगा कि बैलेट पेपर से चुनाव करना है तो हम कानून बनाते हैं और कानून की पालना हम सबको इंक्लूडिंग जुडिशरी को करनी पड़ती है।
Well, the fact is that 2 indictments have been filed, one by the attorney of the Eastern District of New York and the other by the Securities and Exchange Commission of the United States of America. So they are obviously free to make those arguments before a US court of law. Insofar as we are concerned, there are larger issues at play. The fundamental issue is that what kind of a message do these indictments send with regard to India's business environment? That is, India's business environment actuated by extraneous considerations. Number 2, what was the Securities and Exchange Board of India doing? If the US regulator has found evidence enough to file an indictment, if you recall going back to the Hindenburg report, issues with regard to the Adani conglomerate were not only in the public domain but were being agitated or were being adjudicated by the Supreme Court of India also. So the question is, who's going to regulate the regulators? So therefore there are larger issues at play, and that's why we are demanding a discussion in both houses of Parliament.
So how you hopeful the demand? How you hopeful that the demand will be fulfilled? Government will take up this issue?
Well, in the sense, we have a responsibility of holding the government accountable, and that is the responsibility that we are fulfilling.